Hello everyone, in continuation with the previous video of application of trigonometry, angle of elevation based questions, we are going to look into various different types. So first question, they're saying that there is a circus artist who is climbing from the ground along a rope. Okay, so the artist is going to climb along this rope. This rope is tied to a pole, which is a 12-meter high pole, and the angle of elevation that the rope is making with the ground is 60 degrees Celsius. Sorry, 60 degree, right? So this is 60 degree, and it's given that we have labeled AC as the length of the rope as L, AB is the height of the pole, which is 12 meters, and angle of elevation is 60. So if you can see here, this is the opposite side and this is the hypotenuse that we need to find. So which rule do you think we'll be using here? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Yes, it's a sine theta. So we'll say sine theta equals to, in this place it is sine 60 degrees equal to, opposite is AB upon AC, which is 12 upon L. Now what is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 equals to 12 upon L. Let's do a cross multiplication. So square root 3L equals to 24. So L equals to 24 upon root 3. But then the problem is we need to do a rationalizing because we have a root 3. So L equals to 24 root 3 divided by root 3 times 3, that is 24 root 3 divided by 3. So L equals to 8 root 3 meters, and that is the length of the rope, right? That we were supposed to find. Clear? Let's take the next one. A bridge across a river makes an angle of 45 degrees with the river bank. Okay, as shown in the figure. So the length of the bridge is 150 meter. The picture a little bit is varying, but still if you think this is the river, this thick, and the bridge is going across. Okay, so AB is representing the width of the river. AC is the length of the bridge, and angle of elevation is 645. So again, this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. So if I want to draw the figure, it looks more like this. Right? Or more precisely, it's the other way around. That's the bridge, if suppose I say. Okay. So if I say this is my bridge, it's making an angle of 45 degrees. Okay, so I have my opposite. So sine 45 degrees equal to AB upon AC, which is again 150 upon L. What is sine 45? Yes, square root 2 equals to 150 upon L. Let's cross multiply. So what we'll get, L equal to 150 root 2 meter. And what is that? Yes, it's the length of the bridge, which is 150 square root 2. Clear? Next question. Angle of elevation of the ladder is given, which is leaning to the against the wall at 60 degrees Celsius, and the foot of the ladder is 9.5 meter away. So as you can see here, QR is representing the distance between the ladder and the wall, which is 9.5 meter. We need to find the length of the ladder, which is represented by L, that is PR, and angle of elevation is 90. So if we look into this picture, the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. Adjacent side means cos. So cos 60 is equals to QR divided by PR, which is 9.5 divided by L. What is cos 60? Half equals to 9.5 divided by L. Let's do a cross multiplication. So L equal to 9.5 multiplied by 2, and that is equal to a 19 meter. So the length of the ladder equals to 19 meter, right? Sorry for the interruption. Now let's read the next question. It says that again there is a ladder which is placed along a wall of a house such that its upper end is touching the top of the wall. The foot of the ladder is 2 meters away and it's making an angle of 60 degree with the wall. So as you can see here, BC is the distance between the wall and the ladder, which is 2 meters. We need to find the height of the wall, and the angle of elevation is this. So height of the wall is AB, which is the opposite, right? And the adjacent is given to be BC, which is 2 meters. So now here in this case it stands 60 degrees because it is opposite, that is AB divided by adjacent, which is BC. AB is H and BC is 2. What is tan 60? Root 3 equals to H upon 2. So what's the measurement we are going to get? Sorry for the interruption. We'll do the cross multiplication. So 2 square root 3 equals to H. So wall height of the wall equals to 2 square root 3 meters, right? Let's take the next question. An observer means a person is standing, okay, and the height of the person is 1.5 meter. Clear? Here. Okay, and the tower is 28.5 meter. Sorry, the person is 28.5 meter away from the tower. The angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Let's understand the figure. So if you look at the figure, the person's height is 1.5. That is the same as QR because it looks like a rectangle. Can you see? So this much QR is 1.5 for the tower. So the remaining height from Q to P is what we have to find. That I've labeled it as H. The distance between the person and the tower is 28.5, which is I labeled here. Now at the end of the day, when I find the value of PQ, I should add it with QR to find the height of the tower. So according to this figure, PQRS, this is the 90 degree, this is my opposite, and this is my adjacent. So I'll say tan 45 is equal to PQ upon QS, which is H upon 28.5. 1 equal to H upon 28.5, right? So I'm getting what? Yes, my PQ is coming out to be a 28.5 meter. So height of the tower is equal to, I have to add the PQ and the QR. PQ is 28.5 and QR is 1.5, which is equal to 30 meter. Again, the height of the person is already been measured in the tower. So the remaining part is where we are finding the applying the trigonometric rule. Clear? Now, here the person is standing above a pole. This height, which is said to be 1.3 meter. Okay, so this much 1.3 meter below from the top. Okay, total height of the tower is 4. This total height is 4 meter for the tower or the pole. So the person is putting a ladder so that it's 1 meter below the pole. So the remaining height from where the ladder is touching the pole to the ground is 2.7 meters. That is why I've labeled it as A, which is A to B is the point from where the ladder is touching the pole to the ground as 2.7 as 4 minus 1.3. The length of the ladder is L, okay, and we are going to find the length of the ladder. Okay, so let me just mark. So here we'll be using sine because we need to find the hypotenuse. So sine 60 degrees is equal to AB, which is the opposite, upon the hypotenuse, that is AC, which is 2.7 divided by L. Sorry for the interruption at the background. Now sine 60 is root 3 by 2 equals to 2.7 upon L. Let's do the cross multiplication. You will get root 3L, equal to 2.7 times 2. So 2.7 is going to be a 5.4. So root 3L equal to 5.4. Now we are going to divide that by root 3 and then rationalize it. So L is equal to 5.4 root 3 divided by root 3 times root 3. So which is L equals to 5.4 root 3 divided by 3, which can be further divided as 1.8 root 3 meter. So the length of the ladder equals to 1.8 into root 3, right? So that it can reach 1.3 meters down below the pole. Next, there is a tree which has broken down because of storm, and the top part of the tree is considered here as X. Total length of the tree is 12. Okay, the total length of the tree is 12. From that, the top portion which broke and has touched the ground, the top portion which is broken has touched the ground is taken as X. It's not that pretty easy to draw it, so I've just marked it. And the part which is standing is 12 minus x. Why 12 minus x? Because the total length of the tree is 12. From there, a section of the top is broken, which is taken as x. So therefore, I've labeled as PQ equals to POS is the broken part touching the ground, which is x. QR is the standing part, which is PR minus PQ, 12 minus x. Okay, and we need to find what? The height of the bottom of the tree that is broken by this thing. That means I need to find 12 minus x, right? So what kind of a rule can I get here? 12 minus x, that is QR and QS. What rule do I have here? Yes, it's the sine. So sine 60 is equal to QR divided by QS. Let me change the color so that you can see here. This is Q, this is 12 minus x, R, this is S, and this is x. Hope it is clear. Okay, let's put the values. This is root 3 by 2 equal to QR is what? 12 minus x upon x, right? Let's cross multiply. So it becomes a root 3x equal to 2 times 12 minus x. Let's open it. Root 3x equals to 24 minus 2x. Let's bring the 2x to the left, and that will be 2x plus root 3x, which is equals to 24. Let's take an x common, so it's 2 plus root 3 equals to 24. Right? Now we need to bring it down. Now we'll do the rationalizing. Okay? So that will be x equal to 24 times 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3 times 2 minus root 3. Right? So that will be 4 minus 3 in the denominator. Why? Because 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. So x is equals to 24, 2 minus root 3. Now to find the length of the part which is broken, which is standing. So that was our QR, sorry. Right? Which was 12 minus x, which is 12 minus 24 times 2 minus root 3. Let's open it. 12 minus 48 plus 24 root 3, which is 24 root 3 minus of 36. Okay. So hope you understood what we have done. QR is 12 minus x. That is what we have to find. The height that of the tree which is standing. Hope it is clear. Thank you.